for this. First of all, we shall take composition, new composition, or you can see, take it from here. Now we shall take any color of your choice, anything orange, green, black, white, or blue. I shall take blue, okay, or take orange, yellow, yellow, orange, 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 yellow, yellow, orange, like this, okay, and take this setting to cinema 4D. It is necessary, friends. Okay, here comes our composition. Now take it here. Now we shall import, that must be PNG. I am importing PNG file. I shall take this. We shall go to layer and auto trace to trace its path, or to make the path layer. Click to in the channel alpha and apply to the new layer. Yes, okay. Here is a layer around the symbol. Now here comes upper layer. Now open this layer, auto trace layer, then go to mask, mask 1, then go here, open a new layer, create a new layer, shape layer. It will give this the shape. After shape layer, now in the shape layer, in the contents, add path. After adding the path, go to auto trace mask path. In the mask path, Control C, copy it, path, then go to pen, point, paste the path. Here comes now we need not auto trace and other layers, so close them. Now we only need shape layer. In the shape layer, in the transform, you may scale it, increase or decrease. Scale, I am decreasing it, so I have decreased it. And you may also change its opacity and color. Now the next step is go to shape layer and create another layer, 3D layer. After that, here comes two more points, button, geometry option and material option. In the geometry option, click on extrusion depth, mark it near about 70, 71, that will be good, 71, and then go to layer, new, light. Here you have to make no change, what, cast shadow to on, okay. Here shadow is casted. Now our symbol is totally ready. Now what we have to do, First of all, take it here in the starting, then in the by orientation, here it should be 0, and after 5 seconds or 6 seconds, in 10 seconds or 7 seconds, we need 4 rotations. So we shall do 4 rotations. Okay, now here I shall start it now. Slowly, slowly, it will make its rotations, or you can see in this way it will make its rotations slowly, slowly up to 7. We have to wait for it a lot.